Hi guys, and welcome to Home with Lace. So this is the long-awaited home tour of our new home in Michigan. So we're gonna start off in our entryway. Here's a shot of the door. One of the largest entryways we've ever had. It's kind of a funky shape, so I'm gonna see what I can do to kind of spruce up the space. But it has all original hardwood floors, and then it's covered in wallpaper that obviously we're gonna have to take out. Luckily it's in a pretty neutral color tone, so it's not too bad. And then from there, if we walk to the left, we're going to head into what would be the formal living room. We plan on making this like an office slash living room hangout area. It's a fairly large room, so we're going to take some of the space and add it to the kitchen. And here we are walking into the formal dining room. And obviously, you know my channel, we're going to redo everything in this house. So new light fixtures, paint, and some type of wall decorations. And now we are heading into our family room. This room is huge. It has so much potential. I really love how massive the fireplace is and how we can really make that into a statement in this room. I love how large the windows are. They're from floor to ceiling, and the oversized slider also makes it easier to go in the backyard and just gives it a nice grand feel. Obviously everything is really dated in here, and we're gonna have to take out all that wallpaper and put up some paint and really make this room more fresh and modern and more of our aesthetic. But I love how it's open to the kitchen and the dining room as well. This room has vaulted ceilings, and I think my husband mentioned the idea of putting in some skylights, which would really make this room nice and bright. This cabinet right here is actually a wet bar. It has a cute little small sink in it. I want to take this cabinet and maybe arch it just to give it some more character. Obviously decorate it nice and cute with some open shelves, and then do something for storage at the bottom, because the bottom cabinet there is just an open area, so maybe put some shelving down there or something of that sort, so we can update that bar and make it look really cute.
Please take a picture of me.
I'm not taking pictures, I'm recording, I'm doing a video.
Pictures.
You can say hello.
Hello. Hiya! Hello.
And here we are going to head to the backyard. And it's a fairly large size backyard. We have a nice cement slab here and a pergola. And then we have a corner lot, so it's fairly large. And it's a nice privacy fence, and we're definitely loving it throughout the summer months. And then from there, this is the kitchen. This little part right here is the breakfast nook, or the breakfast area. And then this is the kitchen. I love the U shape of the kitchen. Provides a lot of cabinetry and counter space. Or I love how open it is to the family room. In this house, the kitchen is centrally located, so it makes it really nice for entertaining, being able to just watch the kids, being involved in all the activities. You don't feel like you're just like in the corner in the kitchen while everybody else is having fun. So obviously we need a little bit of updating in the kitchen. We need new paint on the cabinets, a couple new appliances, but overall I really like the layout of the kitchen, and I feel like it is a nice blank slate to work with. We need new backsplash, but that's all in due time when we get that done. We're gonna take our time with this house. We plan on living here for more than a year this time, so we're really gonna take our time to make it ours. So now we're going to be heading into our downstairs bathroom. So we're going towards the entryway now. And our downstairs bathroom is actually a full bath, and we plan on taking out the bathtub and making it into a walk-in shower, and just updating the space with new fixtures, new vanity, and new paint. And now we are headed to our laundry room. And what I like about this laundry room is that on one side we have a sink, and then where we'll have our washer and dryer. And then we also have space to maybe put in another counter or like a pantry area. It looks out onto the backyard. And then on the other side we have a closet, which I plan on putting some locker storage in there so we don't have like piles of shoes like this, and we can hide all of our mess. And then through this door is the garage, and we have a 3-stall garage with a 2-stall opening, so there's plenty of space for all of our tools and our lawn accessories. So now we're going to be heading towards my husband's office. It's right off of our entryway, so he has plenty of space and privacy to get his work done without having the kids making a lot of noise for him. And now we are headed upstairs. This is a 4-bedroom house, so we'll check out each room and walk you through it. So our first step is the linen closet. It's a pretty shallow linen closet, but you know, at least it's storage for upstairs. And then here is a top view from the stairs going down to the entryway. Do you guys like this light, or is it kind of old looking? What do you think? I'm kind of on the fence with it, but I'm leaning towards I'm liking it. And first room here is the boys' bedroom. They'll be sharing a room in this house. It's a fairly large room as well. It's kind of the theme in this house. Right now it's painted blue and red, and we're not going to be keeping that paint, but it's perfect for now. They love the colors for now, and once we get their furniture in there and figure out what kind of design they want, we'll end up painting over. They have a pretty standard size closet. We'll probably be doing some built-ins in there just to make it easier for 2 people to share the closet. Now we will head into our guest room. And this room is painted all yellow, super bright, almost like a highlighter yellow in here. I believe this is maybe the smallest room in the house, but it's still fairly large. We could add a queen size bed in here just fine and still have enough space. And then it has the same standard size closet. So let's head on into the bathroom. This is the hallway bathroom that the boys will share with any guests that we may have. It is a super big bathroom. There's 2 sinks and then there's enough for like some storage in the center of the sink, which is really nice. They have just a standard bath shower combo. And even though the bathroom is painted a really dark brown, it's really bright and airy in this bathroom. Alright, so now we are going to be heading into the nursery. This room is, again, really large. And I love that it has its own walk-in closet for her that I do plan on putting in built-ins in organizing her closet as well. Stay tuned for the updates on her bedroom because that will be the first room we make over while we get ready for baby. This is the owner's suite. This is the largest bedroom that my husband and I have ever had. But here is the owner's bathroom. Right now it has just 1 sink, but there is definitely enough space for a double vanity here, so that's what we're going to end up doing in the long run. And then just here is the toilet area. And this is where it gets interesting. On the right here we have a bath shower combo. And then on the left here we have just a shower. So we're planning on trying to figure out how we can take out both the shower and the bath shower and create one large shower and maybe put in a standalone tub in the corner where the old tub is, and making it look a little bit nicer and more, you know, grown up. And now we'll head on over to our closet. This is a walk-in closet. This area right here will be my husband's. The last owners left some things here, so we will be needing to get rid of all that. And then to the left here, this will be my side. And it's a really large walk-in closet, so we're planning on also doing built-ins here just to make it a little bit more organized. And even though this is an empty house tour, we stayed the night here one night before our things came, so that we could be here for the carpet cleaners and then for the moving truck the next day. And here's a diamond on the staircase. Okay, so now we're going to be headed to the basement. Now, this space, I'm not sure if we're going to be doing too many updates. Maybe we'll change the paint color and add, you know, some decor down here, but otherwise the space in itself is fairly nice. To the left here, this big open area, we're going to be making it into our gym, and we'll put all of our gym equipment here. And one thing about this house is it has so much storage, especially here in the basement. All the closets in the basement are around this size. They're really deep. And we could almost even get rid of this and add an extra like 3 feet to this room, how large this storage area is. We will probably put our TV and entertainment center stuff there, put a couch right here. And then this is our sub pump. And this area right here will be our temporary playroom until we figure out where we want to put the playroom. All these doors here are storage, just like the storage before, so they're really deep. We can put a lot of stuff in there. And then this is our storage room, and again, so much space in here. I feel like a lot of the space is wasted with just storage area, so we're gonna try to figure out a way to maybe utilize some of this space and create a room in here. I really want to make some type of play area under the stairs for the boys, so that will be a project in the future. And I do believe that we want to put in a bathroom in the basement sometime in the future as well. So that is our unfurnished house tour. Thank you so much for stopping by and going on the tour with us. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to click that like button, and don't forget to comment and subscribe as well, and join our YouTube family, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.